Welcome back to Nova Garage. Today we are proud to drop the veil on our most anticipated arrival for 2027, the all-new Toyota RAV4 Ironclad. Forget everything you know about standard compact crossovers. This is a radical, factory-built weapon engineered for absolute mechanical dominance and ultra-premium overland luxury. It is aggressive, it is sophisticated, and it is officially ready for delivery. Look closely at the architecture of this machine. The Ironclad replaces standard body lines with a structural armor designed to take a beating. At the front, a heavy-duty, high-clearance steel bumper houses an integrated 12,000-pound winch and an ultra-bright dual-row LED light bar. Up top, a custom low-profile roof rack carries a full-size spare tire, recovery boards, and integrated perimeter lighting. Every element, from the tight-fitting snorkel to the bolt-on wide-body fender flares, has been aerodynamically optimized for 2027.
When it comes to dimensions, the Ironclad commands respect. It stretches to a length of 4,650 millimeters and features a massive width of 1,955 millimeters thanks to its widened track. The vehicle stands tall at 1,830 millimeters, boasting an incredible ground clearance of 310 millimeters. With an approach angle that rivals dedicated rock crawlers, it offers an astonishing weighting depth of 900 millimeters. This isn't a show car, it's a fortress on wheels.
The real magic of the 2027 RAV4 Ironclad lies hidden beneath its skin. Toyota engineered this special edition by abandoning the standard crossover platform. Instead, they built it on a modified, shortened version of the legendary TNGA-F body-on-frame chassis, the same ultra-tough foundation used for the Land Cruiser. Pop the hood, and you won't find a hybrid four-cylinder. Instead, you are greeted by a masterpiece, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. This powerhouse develops a massive 380 horsepower and an earth-moving 520 newton-meters of torque, available at just 2,200 RPM. This immense power is managed by a heavy-duty 6-speed manual transmission featuring Toyota's intelligent manual system. Power is routed through a full-time multi-terrain select 4-wheel drive system, complete with a mechanical low-range transfer case and electronic locking front and rear differentials. The suspension utilizes an advanced kinetic dynamic suspension system, allowing massive wheel articulation over boulders while maintaining flat, composed cornering on paved roads. On the open road, the Ironclad balances raw power with engineered safety. Acceleration is surprisingly brisk, launching from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.8 seconds. However, because it rides on massive 35-inch BF Goodrich mud terrain tires wrapped around 17-inch beadlock-ready wheels, top speed is electronically limited to 170 kilometers per hour to ensure maximum highway safety. Step inside the cabin, and the rugged exterior gives way to tailored luxury. Premium black leather seats feature custom Ironclad embroidery and contrasting stitching. Ahead of the passenger sits a milled aluminum grab bar, while the center console integrates a tactical CB radio for remote communication. Perched on the dashboard is a digital inclinometer and pitch and roll monitor that interfaces directly with the main infotainment screen. Move to the rear, and the tailgate opens to reveal a professional-grade Overland bay. A heavy-duty dual-drawer storage system keeps your tools organized. A recovery shovel is mounted securely to the seatbacks, and an integrated, high-efficiency compressor refrigerator keeps your provisions cold on weeks-long expeditions. The 2027 Toyota RAV4 Ironclad carves out an entirely
entirely new niche in the luxury off-road market. With an introductory price of 89,000 euros, it positions itself as an exclusive alternative to traditional off-roaders. Its closest rivals include the raw Ford Bronco Badlands and the V8-powered Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. But the Ironclad counters them with superior build quality and daily drivability.
It also takes on the Ineos Grenadier and the Land Rover Defender, offering a unique blend of Toyota's bulletproof reliability and modern elegance that none of its competitors can match. The Ironclad is more than just a vehicle. It is your passport to absolute freedom. It is currently available for order through Nova Garage.
What do you think about this V6-powered Overland beast? Would you choose it over a Defender or a Bronco? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Nova Garage, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming exclusive luxury reveals. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next episode.